I will say this, crypto, never boring. So we wake up this morning here in the United States to a US government shutdown and gold spikes, Bitcoin rallying 3+%, all of crypto up. And we're all kind of looking around going, this is interesting and this is intriguing. And so let's jump into this I'm going to explain to you what's going on, how this is all playing out. We now have the Bitcoin to gold correlation that's in place. And I think bottom line, because of the US government shutdown now, because they failed to reach a resolution, a compromise, you have a little bit of that old saying where we have a flight to safety assets, a flight to diversity assets, right? And like gold, like Bitcoin, things of that nature. And so that's what we're seeing here. It's going to make October really interesting. I've been talking to you guys about the first 2 weeks of October are going to be kind of flat. The game has changed. This government shutdown was something I knew was out there. We all talked about it a little bit, but it has thrown a wrench into the crypto game right now. And we're gonna have to see how it plays out. But I mean, you can see it right here. Bitcoin up 3%, Ethereum up 3%, XRP up 3%. On the 24-hour, we got Zcash running up 39+%. In fact, look at this chart. 41 days, up 159% Zcash is. By the way, that is my software that gave a buy alert right there 41 days ago, way before it ever took off. So just saying, if you're interested in that, links in the description below. $1,000 invested here, you're already in profit over almost $1,600. So your 1,000 back plus $1,600. Okay. So the links are in the description below. If you want to check it out right there, I'll come back and talk about that if you're interested on that. But look, I mean, it's insane what we're saying. And so again, like I said, there's been a wrench thrown into the crypto market, and that is the government shutdown. And let me show you kind of this. Like, look, Bitcoin revives gold correlation as Bitcoin price nears 117. Look, nobody was really talking about Bitcoin going to 117,000 on the first, second, or third, fourth day of October. Nobody really was. I'm just going to tell you straight up. The reason nobody was talking about that was we were expecting to have kind of these volatile, really not a lot going on days leading into kind of the middle of March. Middle of October. But this government shutdown is changing it. Look, I want to show you this. Gold. This is max. This is all-time high. Gold is at its all-time high right now. Okay, just to put this in perspective, today it's up 22 points, $3,895. Yeah. What does this mean? People are rushing to put money into gold, most likely silver too. I haven't looked at the silver correlation. It's probably up as well. And Bitcoin. It's happening. You're seeing it play out real time. So the Bitcoin to gold correlation is a real thing. It is in play. And if you look at what's going on the stock side, let me move this picture of me. As of the recording of this video, the stock market is not opened yet, but the Dow futures are pointing to a 121 point down, move down, and NASDAQ's pointing to a 114 point move down. Okay. So, I mean, it's playing out, and it's going to be interesting to see how the stock market, if it really pulls it down. I mean, you've got the stock market down and you've got crypto up 3%, up over $4 trillion. It shows you liquidity. What that shows you, if you're looking at it, it shows you how the money is moving. The money is moving towards, risk, towards more risk assets, gold, Bitcoin, crypto. I mean, and it's not just Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana up 5.5%, Dogecoin up 6%, Cardano almost up 6%, Hyperliquid 6%, so forth and so on. It's playing out. You're seeing it play out in real time. Okay. So the last government shutdown happened in 2018, and it lasted 35 days. Now, am I saying that that's how long this is going to last? No, I'm just giving you the corollary to that's history. Okay. So for the most of us, we have not lived in crypto during a U.S. government shutdown. It happened back in 2018. I wasn't invested in crypto in 2018. Wish it was. Wish I would have bought Bitcoin. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? So look, this is good. We're in uncharted territory. We're in uncharted waters right now, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, that's what I'm trying to convey to you. It really is not. Okay, and right now the market is saying it is not. Right now the market's saying, Lots of people are saying they're going to put their money in Bitcoin. They're going to put their money in Ethereum. They're going to put their money in gold. Okay. Now I'm just curious. Let's see this. On price of silver. Yeah, price of silver is at 47. Look at this. Silver is at its all-time high as well. That just proves my point. And I didn't know the answer. I actually did not know what the silver futures, the price of silver was until I looked at that. There you go. Just, there's an old saying, don't do something on camera that you don't know the answer to. I didn't know the answer to that one. So, but yeah, it makes sense, right? I mean, money's moving into silver. Money's moving into gold. It's crazy times. All right. So, like I said, I promised you I'd tell you more about this if you're interested. Links in the description below if you want to check out X1 Algo. Look, this is Zcash. This is a great example right here. Boom. Buy here. And by the way, so the software runs on an iPhone, runs on Android, runs on any computer. You can run it in multiple locations. It literally costs a little over $1 a day. With that link down there, there's a discount code. It literally costs you a little over $1 a day. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, and you can have triggers out there waiting, looking for anything you want. Okay. You can have alerts set looking for any crypto you want it to track to say, give me the time to buy and give me the time to sell. And these little alerts will pop up on your phone or on your computer, wherever you tell them you want it to do. Okay. There's a live trading classes every week, live education classes every week, 3 classes every week that I put on for you in the members area. I have coaches that are in there helping you do this every week. So I give you live coaching, live training on how to use the software, everything like that. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you have zero reasons to not try this. You can try it. If you don't like it, you cancel, get a refund, period. You've lost nothing except some time. What you've gained is an opportunity to do things different and to make even more money in the crypto market. And by the way, you can use the trading indicator to do stocks as well. Let me show you like Netflix. So here's the Netflix chart. And you can see it's coming. Come on, load. That's right there. It's thinking. There you go. So there's the software running on Netflix. So you can see Netflix right there. Okay. So there's a buy alert to a sell alert, 92 days, 47%. Okay. So you can use it for stocks as well. So you get a 2-for-1 special. Okay, you have zero reason to try it. Links are down in the description below, right down there. Go give it a look. Okay. Try the quarterly option. It is the cheapest on a per day basis, a little over $1 a day. You can afford $1 a day. A cup of coffee is more than $1. It's like $5 at Starbucks. It's like $2.50 at Buc-ee's where I buy my coffee. All right. Later. Go get it.